What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, Caseborne Armadillo Tech was kind enough to send me out a case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this is the Carbon V Series for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is in black. This is one of their new cases, and it says it's okay to drop your phone. It says we provide a 1-year premium warranty on our product. Please register your warranty on our website, and it gives you the website right there. So now we're just going to unbox this and check it out. And it's already been opened, so it is what it is, because I had to check it out before I actually used it. This did come with the screen protector, but I had already used it a while back, so it's no longer there. This is the case. It comes with the holster, and then you get card. You can pause that and read that for yourself if you want to. Then we can open the case, open this up like so. Like I said, this is the holster. I'm not into this kind of thing, so I won't be using that. But this is what your case looks like. This is going to give your device good protection. So you want to peel this off at the bottom here. Open it up like so. It also gives you that nice kickstand on your camera ring, as you can see there. It's a nice touch. And then you just place your device in the case like so. But be careful, because as you can see, it is lifting up this screen protector. But you place it in like so. This is what the front would look like. Then you take the back, give it a good snap in there. I'm not what the case is looking like once you get it on your device. It feels nice in the hand. It doesn't add too much bulk like I thought it would. So you to get a nice lip down there. So if you drop it, you are good to go. And I do have a screen protector on my device. You do get nice cutouts down here. Like I said, this is how you will open up the case. You do get your feet for corner edge drop protection. It has ridges for good grip. That feels and looks good. You do get your power button, which, as you can see, is nice and clicky. Daddy, that was me. Then you get your volume up and down button, which are nice, clicky also. I don't know how well you can see that and hear that, but nice and clicky. You get a button for your power button, just nice, clicky also, no worries. Down here you get the cutouts that you would need, and then you get the slot cover for your USB Type-C. So let's see if it is accessible. Just like that, it's in, no problem. Then coming over to the back here, you do get MagSafe capability, which it says Caseborne. It's a nice touch. Then you get a nice cutout for your camera, because this also doubles as your kickstand, so you can watch your videos and movies. And you can probably lay it in this angle too if you wanted to, but I won't use it in that angle. Overall, this is a nice case for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Caseborne makes nice, sturdy cases. I've had their cases on a lot of my devices and a lot of my iPhones, and I know this is a case to stand by. You drop it, you are good to go. You get the little screw look down there. Now let's test out wireless charging, and it wireless charge just like that. I will drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.